The race for Jamaica House tightens. This evening, the TVJ Don Anderson poll party standings. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Voting for 2016 election gets underway as security forces and election day workers cast ballots.
Andrew Holness continues to defend tax plan and why he wants to meet with Joseph Mackellar.
Political parties put supporters on alert for fraudulent activities at the polls.
And in the business day, ganja licenses available as of April.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Have you changed your mind about who you will vote for over the past week?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.
News